என்னோட டாட்டர் சேஃப்டிக்காக நான் என்ன பண்ண போறேன்?
So can you speak in English?
If you are comfortable English, it's okay. Okay, you can translate. Don't know. Okay.
Actually, I want to shoot this film for actually my daughter's safety, as well as the whole India's girls and women's safety. For nowadays, what is happening now? After the Android era, usually the people are taking their own bedroom videos, the personal moments, their naked body, naked videos they are taking. In the internet world, the people who runs porn websites, they are hacking that type of photos and videos. They are selling to others, and they are making multi crores of money of that. So I wanted to make our Indian people to aware of all those things. Don't take such a video, photos of the porn pirating these things. Every girl, every woman of our country should aware of this. This is my first motto for taking this film.
Ma'am, can you tell us about regarding this film? What is your character in this film?
Okay, well, first of all, thank you everyone for coming here. So this film, I can say it's a social satire, you know. आप बोल रहे pornography or something, it's not something like that. ये film ऐसी है जो आप देखोगे तो you will learn something from it. My character is, there is a newly married couple, and you know what happens जब अभी के time में, you know, we send pictures to our boyfriends, husbands, but हमको लगता है कि हम अपने husband को भेज रहे हैं, but you know those pictures are not safe. So it is kind of that character that her pictures got leaked and something like that, and after that how she is going through all such things, and एक औरत की लाइफ में क्या इफेक्ट पड़ता है जब उसके साथ कुछ ऐसा होता है. So it's a journey, it's a beautiful film. Once you will watch, you will definitely love it because it's a social knowledge, I will say. Because we live in an internet world. हमको लगता है हमको कोई नहीं देख रहा, but every time someone is watching at you. So I will say, even if he is your boyfriend या फिर husband, don't send your personal things with anyone. So it's a message. It's a message. That's it.
मतलब do you think the social media has become the biggest tool for such kind of problems?
Yeah, that's what we are trying to say from this film. Because क्या हो गया ना कि हम लोग इतना ज़्यादा social media के पीछे भाग रहे हैं. In this we are living in an internet world. Everything is easily available, you know. So porn videos and all, that is easily available. So people are not that interested in such things. उनको अभी ये जो personal life में क्या होता है, that gives them kick. वो ज़्यादा interest आता है उनको. So for that, ऐसी बहुत सारे लोग हैं जो ऐसे videos बना रहे हैं, and these from such videos, they're earning in crores, you know. So it is a message, or it's a social satire. So I think everybody should watch it. यहाँ पे like it's not a porn film or something. So I think it is for everyone. हर एज के लोग देख सकते हैं.
आपके जो पोस्टर में लिखा है बेस्ड ऑन ट्रू इंसिडेंट, तो ये कोई इंसिडेंट हुआ है पर्टिकुलर कोई एरिया में या यहाँ पर जो इस फिल्म में दिखाया गया है जिनके साथ इस तरह का हुआ है सोसाइटी में या?
Actually, in the porn websites, Indian girls bathing videos, almost 2 lakhs videos are there. Couples bedroom videos, 3 lakhs of videos are there. I have a proof. So one incident in Andhra Pradesh, in Kadapa, some boyfriend asking one girlfriend, I want your bathing video, I want to see that video. She is sending through WhatsApp. He preserved it, but his friend leaked it from that phone. After that, video goes to that girl's brother's friend. Brother friend shows to that guy, your sister doing all this. Then that guy got suicide. After that, that parent also got suicide. In the end, that girl also suicide. So this kind of suicides, many suicides, all over the India, it's happening. many people believing that they are playing blue whale games like that. They are not saying this is the reason I am committing suicide. So some people believe it's a blue whale reaction of blue whale game. Not like that. Blue whale is a different. But these porn videos, people, they are hacking including our phones, including our laptops, including our computers. They are searching all the photos, all the data, all the passwords. They are hacking. They are using it. Actually, there are many apps in our Android phone, in the iPhone also. They are giving their service in the free mode, free download. What is the benefit for free download? What actually they are doing now? They are hacking. They are taking all the stuffs to the stuffs and selling to the another people, particularly to the porn websites people. In the one website called X Videos, they are making money, multi-crore money in the international world for selling this product. Particularly our Indian people also, they are watching the voyeuristic porn. They are all ready to spend many rupees for download and so watching that kind of stuffs. So now they are going to make our bedroom video with in the distance they are operating our cell phone camera. While we are in bedroom, they are operating our hacking our phone. They are control the phone. So we want to tell our people, don't don't put your camera mobile in your bedroom and don't take to that bathroom. So our videos will going to publish.
बेसिकली आप ये कहना चाहते हैं कि जो भी कपल से है वो अब अपने संबंध के रिलेशन से वो कैमरा में कैद ना करे, ये है स्टोरी फिल्म का, राइट? बेसिकली दिस इज बेसिकली द फाइन
प्राइवेट इंटीमेट
मोमेंट आप अपने मोबाइल में कैद ना करें, जिससे ये फैलता है, राइट?
No, see, one thing, politically, if speaks, Modi government has banned 3,000, I think 3,000, 5,000 something. Even though, बाद में एक week में, the people, they have taken...
Actually, the court lift the ban. Now it's all functioning.
It is on, see,
except child
India is the main country to international this one market.
But sir, ये international website है जिसका आपने नाम लिया है, क्या ये आपको बैन नहीं करेंगे?
नहीं, को?
For what? Actually, this is actually you will think this is the X video बोलते sex videos. Not I am telling this is the wrong symbol.
In director point of view.
Wrong videos. We are talking about the wrong videos. My film talking about the wrong videos. That is why I put this kind of title. This is the reason.
और ये मूवी में डिफरेंस क्या है? देखिए, जैसे कि फेसबुक है, गूगल है, कोई भी बिजनेसमैन अपना प्रोडक्ट देता है तो फ्री में नहीं देते, ये लोग आपको फ्री में दे रहे हैं। हाँ, और यू आर बीइंग मॉनिटर्ड एवरी टाइम। तो आप मॉनिटर हो रहे हो, आपको पता है क्लाउड सपोर्ट हर फोन में आ रहा है। क्यों आ रहा है? क्योंकि आपका प्राइवेसी वहाँ पे स्टिक है। इस मूवी में सर ने ये बोला है कि अपना प्राइवेसी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है, पैसा इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। तो ये सब चीज़ मेन है जो नॉर्मली
गवर्नमेंट में तो उठा था, बट ये वेबसाइट तो बनी नहीं थी अभी तक, उसका क्या रिएक्शन है?
माफिया विल वर्क्स।
तो आप
उसी के लिए हम लोग बोलने के लिए ट्राई कर रहे हैं।
Your question is, the website is not yet banned, right? So we want to create first awareness among our people. I'll add something more to what Sajjo sir, the director of the film, said. If you look at statistics, after US, Canada and UK, India is the fourth largest consumer of porn. And the most searched things are teenage and school girls, for example, in porn. And every second, around 380 search requests are made, requesting for school girls and teenage girls in India. Okay, so you can understand the danger of the situation our society is facing. So first of all, we should congratulate the director and the producer to make a bold attempt. This is a bold attempt to create a social awareness. Of course, it is there in the form of a commercial story, but more than that, it also create awareness. The other thing to understand is tier 2, 3, 4 cities. These are where these kind of homemade videos are currently being made, and they serve majority of the the demand in terms of upload. I'll give you one shocking information. This came in the Mail, September 7th, 2017. Indian women are the largest consumers in terms of the world. So the trend change ho gaya. They also started to watch it. So it's a kind of a cultural change. But we have a responsibility for our society. So it's a kind of sweet way of telling a good message to the people. And I think I thank all of you for coming here. I think you guys have to reach this, make this message reach people. And a couple of questions I'll answer. You asked if it is based on a true incident, right? Yeah, of course it's based on a true incident. So if Sajjoo sir had some kind of friend for him in his personal life, something like this had happened. So that really shook him. So that is when we started understanding that my daughter is going to live in the society, our daughters are going to live in the society, and we do not understand the impact of technology. Because if you have 7,000 rupees, गाँव में भी तेरे को Android phone मिल जाएगा आपको. So, but you don't understand the dangers of what can happen. So that is why he, first of all, took permission from his own wife. That is, he's venturing in such a bold movie, and then he has to convince his daughter, his son, that I'm going to take a movie which might be kind of people might look at it as a porn movie or a controversial movie, but that is not the point. The point is that somebody should take the responsibility to do a good film for the society.
My daughter still now, she is telling, I am not going to tell you are my father, you are doing this kind of film. I don't tell to anyone. Still now, because she doesn't understand what is actually happening. Yeah, A certificates. I have applied only A certificate. They are not giving. I have applied only A. Adult for
फिल्म में एक सीन दिखाया गया है जिसमें ये बताया गया है कि एक कॉल से और वो वीडियो किसी और के पास चले जाता है. ये कैसे पॉसिबल है?
This kind of technology coming to.
You have to watch. You have to watch the movie first.
So many things are there to teach the people. So I can't tell all the things in the.
आपने मेंशन किया कि ब्लू वेल गेम के कारण लोगों की मौत नहीं हो रही, इन इंसिडेंट के कारण मौत हो रही है. तो ऐसा कोई रिपोर्ट है?
ज़्यादा.
बहुत ज़्यादा.
But comparatively that.
डेटा है या कुछ है?
I have seen it's my first. I belong from Calcutta.
Okay.
So in my native place, मेरे पड़ोस में एक लड़की का ऐसा कुछ वीडियो, some boyfriend issue, and you know this very common thing.
Okay.
तो उनका वीडियो ऐसे लीक हो गया था, and after that entire family within a week पूरी family ने suicide कर लिया. This middle class family में क्या होता है, उनका जो self respect होता है, जो society में लोग क्या सोचेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे, that is more important than their lives, you know.
They are not even tell the reasons also.
Sir, one thing. Sir, one thing. Excuse me.
Okay, you want to say regarding that?
Excuse me, one thing. Something happens to common people, no? They will suicide. For political, he will resign. That's all.
And one more thing. First, actually, I have saw one video. My friend showed me one video. In that video, I saw my friend's wife. I got shocked at that time. From that, I started research how it is happened. Some people are telling the couple's video, they are taking their video, they are uploading their video wantedly. Not like that. They are taking their video or photos there for fun only. They are thinking if it is a password locked, no one will touch that, no one will see that. But not like that. The whole world can see your stuff. This is the real fact. I wanted to tell this more.
But in foreign countries, it has become a business of all these things. So what do you say for them? Like, there is a business.
Actually, we have to stop this business. Actually, I am going to put a case on X videos, particularly all the porn websites. I am supporting, I am backing the government, our central government stand, Modi government stand on porn websites. But the court lifts the ban. Some celebrities, some people are against the porn websites. But I am supporting by this movie. Supporting by this movie, the government stand that is correct.
You are saying that court decision is wrong.
Yeah, now it actually now it's a stay only. It's not a judgment. It's a stay only. The case is going on. Then result what will be there, I don't know. But we have to tell the court also, this is happening actually, the porn websites people are doing wrong thing to our society.
I will contradict here. Business के हिसाब से देखो, that's a different thing. उससे कोई प्रॉब्लम. आप किसी की पर्सनल लाइफ बिना उस इंसान के नॉलेज के अगर वीडियोस लीक करते हो, दैट्स अ डिफरेंट थिंग ना, दैट्स नॉट that is not acceptable, you know. So it is an awareness कि एक जब ऐसा कुछ होता है ना तो उस लड़की पे especially this women what she goes through in the society because we live in a typical society, you know, कुछ भी होता है तो लड़की पे सबसे पहले उंगली उठाते हैं. So it is like it's a knowledge, इससे मतलब उस लड़की के लाइफ में इफेक्ट होता है सो होता है, फैमिली पे क्या गुजरती है. So it is it's an educational film, I will say.
See, all the parents
don't take it otherwise.
All the parents have to watch it. All the girls have to have this awareness that this is something which can.
इसीलिए सर ने बोला भी था कि वो पहला शो अपने बेटी के साथ जाके देखेंगे ताकि लोगों को विश्वास हो कि ये ऐसा मूवी नहीं है, सिर्फ और सिर्फ अवेयरनेस मूवी है. ये एक्चुअली अपने बेटी को बोलना चाहते थे,
नहीं कुछ दिखाया नहीं आपने, कह रहे हो
नहीं ऐसा कुछ दिखाया नहीं.
The when it is going to release and can you tell me in how many screen it will release?
Yeah, it's all planning are going. We will tell soon.
एक हाउसवाइफ का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ. स्पेशली जो हमारे मेन विलेन है उनकी वाइफ का कैरेक्टर प्ले कर रही हूँ. वो पुलिस को बताती है कि मेरा हस्बैंड दिन रात क्या किन सब चीज़ों में इन्वॉल्व रहता है, तो ये सारे मैटर का वही पर्दाफाश करती है. तो देखिए क्योंकि ये बहुत अच्छी मूवी है. सैजो सर ने बहुत डेडिकेशन के साथ इसमें काम किया है. सो प्लीज़
साजो सर ने बहुत ही खूबसूरत फिल्म बनाया है. आप लोग देखेंगे तो डेफिनेटली आप लोग को बहुत अच्छी लगेगी फिल्म.
Don't think it's a big red secret sex movie like that.
This is not secret actually.
It's a very.
हम कितने भी ब्रॉड माइंडेड क्यों ना हो जाए या कितने भी बड़े क्यों ना हो जाए, लेकिन हमें रहना इसी सोसाइटी में, तो बहुत सारी चीज़ों का हमें ध्यान रखना पड़ता है और रखना भी चाहिए.
थैंक यू.